Alright, I'm going to try another video on my lights I installed. See, I got a couple friends out here. Hello! Alright, let's go out to the shop. If this film will work. There's Buck, that's my dog. He's a Gangle. So, we're walking out here. Walking out to the shop. You can see, as you start gaining floor space in your shop, your wife starts piling stuff up by the doors she wants in there. Can't win for losing. Gotta love them though, right? So here's my shop. Show you the lights. These are the 4-foot lights I ordered from Costco. And got them all wired in. Lights it up in here really well. So I spaced them about 4 feet apart, and that gives me about 4 feet from the ends. My shop's 12 feet by 20 feet, and you can see it lights up the whole shop. So what I did when I wired mine in, instead of hardwiring, they come with a plug. So I just put in an outlet up there and plugged them in. You know, you can do whatever you want with them. And then I brought it down here to my light switch. Then I built this shelf right here above my bench. Workbench is solid. Then today I built these shelves and got some more stuff up off the floor. This right here is a must-have. Keep all your spare little parts, little drawers. Always comes in handy. So that's my shelf. And that's my workbench. I'll do this in another video. My mom donated me some money and I got that compressor right there. I'll do another video on that. Those are nice little compressors. And then so just so you know that the ceiling is 8 feet. And then there's, I don't know if you can see it, there's 8-inch wires that the lights are hooked to. They do give you screws if you want to flush mount it. I just did the wires, so 8 inches down from 8 feet, and it lights up the whole shop. So that's the light thing. And these lights are throwaway lights. You can't replace the bulbs. They're supposed to last for 45 years. And if they do that, I won't be here no more. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like and keep moving forward.